me to put my feet down, and I don't know what. Now he wants to get by me. What the fuck?
Orale, everybody. This is homie Juan from down the street, coming to you from Guadalupita, New Mexico, eh? I'm over here chilling with my homie, the Humble Hippy. He's pregnant with a food baby.
She had a double-double,
Shit, eh? He had the double-double cheeseburger with green chili and shit, eh?
I should have had that one.
Yeah, we're having a good time. The rain's pouring down outside, so we have to stay inside the cabin and shit, eh? Right on, eh? Happy Memorial Day, motherfuckers, eh? I'm waiting on my homie, fucking Ghetto-Man. He's supposed to be walking up anytime now from Albuquerque, eh? Wonderful area, a la verga, eh? Here's my homie Ghetto-Man, eh? He walked all the way up here from Burke. Oh, good thing I still got the shed for him to sleep in.
What's going on, homie Juan?
Oh, Ghetto-Man, what's up, eh?
Been a while, you crazy motherfucker.
Oh,
You
shit,
dropped your
yeah,
authentically
yeah.
made Amish hat.
You knocked my Amish hat off,
See
eh?
that?
I don't know. Fuck. I got my walking stick and shit. Polished off my bottle of Crown Royal and shit, eh? Fuck, eh? Oh, man, I don't know what else to do, eh? Nothing is what I want to do. Fucking kicking it, eh? Enjoying motherfucking nature and shit, eh? Fuck yeah.